much for joining me today. My name is Laura. I'm the Boreal Educator with the Lesser Slave Forest Education Society in Slave Lake, Alberta. One of the most unique wetland ecosystems that we can find in the boreal forest is a bog. So today I want to show you some of the cool things that you can find in a spruce bog like this one and what makes these ecosystems so special. A bog is an area with poorly drained soils that is saturated with water. Unlike other wetland ecosystems like marshes, bogs are not connected to groundwater supplies. That means that almost all of the water in a bog comes from rain and snow. The soil in a bog is acidic and low in nutrients, which limits the type of plants that grow here. However, bogs provide important habitat for a variety of plants and animals, some of which can't be found in any other ecosystem. One of the first things that you'll notice when you step into a bog is just how bouncy and spongy the ground feels. It's almost like you're walking on a trampoline. That's because the ground is covered with layers and layers of partially decomposed plant material called peat. Low soil temperatures and a lack of oxygen means that plants break down very slowly in a bog compared to other forest ecosystems. In fact, plants grow faster than they can decompose, which causes layers of dead plant material to build up over time. These layers, called peat, grow very slowly, less than 10 centimeters per century. One of the main components in peat is a plant called sphagnum moss, which grows in thick mats throughout the bog. Sphagnum moss is super absorbent. It can actually hold up to 200 times its weight in water, just like a sponge. So sphagnum moss is able to thrive in a bog ecosystem, even though the nutrients are very low and the soil is acidic. There are many other plants that have also adapted to grow in this unique environment. There are two main types of tree species that grow in spruce bogs, which are black spruce and tamarack. The lack of nutrients in the soil stunts their growth, so they're often quite short and scrubby looking when compared to other coniferous trees. Black spruce and tamarack are often accompanied by this small woody shrub called bog cranberry or lincolnberry, which has small round leaves that grow close to the ground in dense mats throughout the bog. In the fall, it produces bright red berries that are tart and delicious. If you've ever eaten cranberry sauce with your turkey dinner, you've likely tasted this plant before. Another plant that you can find growing in a bog is Labrador tea, which looks like this. Labrador tea can be identified by its long leaves that are green on the top and have kind of an orange fuzzy underside on the bottom. The leaves can be brewed into a tea that can treat headaches, colds, and fevers. Some plants, like this round leaf sundew, have developed a really creative way of surviving in acidic, nutrient-poor soils. They're actually carnivorous. All plants need a source of nitrogen in order to grow and stay healthy. Instead of absorbing nitrogen through their roots like most plants, sundews have modified leaves with sticky dew-like glands that trap insects. When triggered, the leaf will curl around a trapped insect and special enzymes slowly break down and digest its body, which releases nitrogen that the plant can absorb. Spruce bogs are awesome places to learn about and really cool environments to go exploring in. Keep your eyes peeled the next time you're in a spruce bog and go looking for some really cool plants. Thank you so much. Have fun.